Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 200 minus the parenthesis 30 divided by 5 then multiply 4. Okay, so before I solve this question, I just want to see your answer. So please comment your answer with step by step. I will give every comment from for a score. I will give you a score from out of 10. Okay, for every comment. So now let's see who gets a perfect score 10 out of 10. Okay. So please stop this video right now and first answer your comment and then play this video to check the correct answer. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, here we have one subtraction, one parenthesis, and one multiplication. Okay. So first priority is parenthesis, then we have to solve multiplication, and then we have to solve subtraction. Okay. So is equal to 200 minus, now solve this multiplication, solve this parenthesis first. 530 divided by 5 is equal to 6. So 6 multiply 4. Now here we have one subtraction and one multiplication. So according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. So 200 minus, now 6 multiply 4 is equal to 24. Now 200 minus 24 is equal to 176. Okay, so the correct answer is 176. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.